Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Scarlett 3 large capsule condenser microphone by TechZone Audio Products. Accessor to the Scarlett 3 aims to improve all aspects of its predecessor. This includes an improved custom circuit, as well as a more carefully tuned capsule. In addition, the Scarlett 3 features a new body design and a more reliable shock mount. The new custom circuit in the X3 boosts the audiophile components of the highest quality, such as German capacitors. The K67 style capsule used in the X3 is made from pure brass and Japanese mylar. It is gold sputtered using the proprietary technology, making them more sensitive than traditional designs. The combination of these features creates a microphone that offers a great tonality and performance. And the Scarlett 3 emphasis on warmth and body. This gives the microphone a very classical vintage tonality with just the slightest touch of presence for detail and resolution. And we have a K67 style capsule. Careful tuned sound. The K67 capsule in the Scarlett 3 is carefully tuned by hand. It provides a better off-axis coloration and a smoother mid-range response than the most K67 style capsules. And of course, a unique capsule design. The capsules is made with 3 micron mylar as opposite to the traditional 6 microns for added sensitivity, which improve the S/N ratio. The gold sputtering process is able to consistently and evenly distribute the gold on the mylar. And even a highly optimized circuit, because the Scarlett 3 brand new Transformers JET circuit has been carefully tested and measured via audio injectors to provide the best response from the capsule. This creates a circuit that complements the K67 capsule beautifully by adding warmth and detail in just the right area. Additionally, the circuit is able to handle the transistors well, which makes it a great choice for drum overheads, acoustic, guitar, and piano. Distortions are minimal, and because of its transformerless nature, the circuit does not add any unwanted compressive effect. And proximity filter and -10 decibel pad. The high pass filter. Turning on the high pass reduces the proximity effect when speaking up close to the microphone. It also reduces the background noise, such as rumbling. And the -10 dB pad. This is a switch increases the microphone's headroom. Engage this switch if we need to record loud sources without the fear of clipping. And we have a high-quality construction in this set. The body and the frame of the Scarlett 3 are made from high-grade brass and iron. This gives it added durability and strength. Powder-coated paint is evenly applied and heat-treated to provide it with a smooth and scratch-resistant surface. And we have a high-quality construction, of course, because the body and the frame of the Scarlett 3 are made from high-grade brass and iron. This gives an added durability and strength. Powder-coated paint is evenly applied and heat-treated to provide it with a smooth and scratch-resistant surface. And we have a gradual response in the polar pattern. The frequency chart and the polar pattern of the X3 microphone are really cool. Every microphone will be within 1.5 decibel of the frequency response as part of the strict quality contract process unit, of course. The TZ Stellaric 3 large diaphragm condenser microphone makes a really cool job and comes with a K67 style capsule. The capsule is carefully tuned really by hand, and it provides a better off-axis coloration and a smoother mid-range response than the most K67 style capsules out there. And the capsule is made of 3-micron mylar, and we have a high-pass filter, and a nice minus 10 decibel pad, and a new shock mount design. These are all good facts, which brings us for a better and clearer sound for all of us, for professionals and for streamers, for home workers, and for everyone out there who likes to have a good sound for the instruments or for our voice. Thanks for watching. Hey, I have forgotten something. If you need this large diaphragm condenser microphone, take care. You will need additional parts to run this. You will need an audio interface for transport the audio signal from the condenser microphone to it. And after this, you will need, for example, an iPad or a computer system to make post-production and use the sound. Okay? But this is professional use for everyone, because that's not so difficult. I will take you with me to perform this with other additional videos about that. So buy this Stellaric 3 large diaphragm condensed microphone for professional voice, professional instrument and so on recordings, and then additionally you will need an audio interface and of course a special cable for the transport of the signal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun.
Mimi, Mumu, Mama, Moo. This is the internal microphone of the iPad, which we're going to use to hear what's going there. Mumu, Mama, Mimi.
Mimi, Mama, Momo, Moo. This is the record of the condenser microphone to the XLR cable with audio interface to the tablet connection. Mi, mo, ma.